Hey, it's Bruce. Maybee Hives sent me a hive stand to review. So today I'm going to unbox it, assemble it, check the build quality, and see if this is just another piece of beekeeping equipment or if it's something that'd be good to have in your apiary. After that, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I plan to set up a nice looking beehive display at my daughter's house. Stick with me. Okay, first of all, everything's well packaged. The instructions are pretty good. Everything arrived safely. I was very happy with it. All right. The construction's pretty heavy gauge. Got all the hardware you need right there. Nothing's missing. Everything well protected for the shipping. All right, I'm impressed by how sturdy this is. This ought to do real fine in the weather. Everything's coated nicely. Just a matter of getting all the packaging and plastic off of it. So it slides and bolts together. So you can adjust the height to have it a couple different heights. You can also adjust the width. So you could use this on a 10 frame box, a 8 frame box, a 5 frame box, and I think it would hold up fine. It's such heavy duty metal. I think it would hold up just fine to a very heavy hive with several boxes on top. So pretty simple to put together. What comes supplied in the kits is plenty of stainless steel bolts. Now, these are set up to where they've got an Allen head on one side plus a locking washer or locking nut on the other side. Kit comes supplied with the Allen head wrench that you need, as well as a kind of a stamped sheet metal wrench to fit the other side. So you got all the supplied stuff you need. Very straightforward. That knob, that plastic knob, lets you adjust the width. But yeah, comes together real well. Very impressive how sturdy it is. Okay, let's check the height. Now, most of my stands are old junky wooden ones like this, or a lot of them are concrete blocks with 4x4s across. But you know, sometimes it's nice to have a really nice looking stand just to kind of make the place look good. I like this. Okay, with the stand fully assembled, I moved it over to my daughter's house. Found a good spot in the sun to put them. Now you see where the bees are right now. One reason I wanted to move them besides how junky that stand looks, is because they're in a lot of shade right there at that spot. And I wanted to move them into the full sun because the small hive beetles don't seem to do as well in full sun. So give them a puff of smoke. And the other thing too, if you're going to move them at all, it's really good to move them before they get real big. They're packing away a lot of nectar right now. This is a very, very good thriving hive. And I'll probably be adding another box on top within a week or so. But it's nice to be able to move them now before they get too heavy. Here, I could have used another person to help me spot the place, but it went on real easy once I figured out where it was. All right. I'm happy with that. Yeah. Hey, Angela, I put your beehive up this morning. What do you think? Do you like it?
I do. I think it looks nice. Very simple, lightweight. It was easy to put together, and it makes it look very clean.
Oh, a lot better than the old junky pallets.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, we get rid of those pretty soon.
Yes, I like it.
Thank you, Angela. I appreciate that. Thank you, Maybee Hives. You get a big thumbs up for me. I really like this.